go.
Supposed to be forward?
Yeah, push forward. Hold that thing tight. Hold it tight.
You didn't hit nothing.
You hit the air.
All the way out there.
Aim now.
That's way too far. Oh, what's your There, almost.
That shit hits the ground so hard.
What's for the... Don't hit the rocks. I'm gonna get this fucker. Oh! Fuck! That's it. I'm gonna break my wrist on this. Motherfucker! I'll get you, motherfucker!
Ah!